Today we're talking to Cecilia Fredriksson. Cecilia is researcher at Swedish Defence Research Agency, and you have done a very interesting report on welfare crime commissioned by the Center for Municipal Governance at the Stockholm School of Economics Center for Governance and Public Policy. Very welcome, Cecilia.
Thank you.
Why did you write this report?
The report was made as a direct response to a wish from municipalities themselves to study the understanding of welfare crime, but also how work against welfare crime is organized in the municipalities. And although we have increased understanding of welfare crime in recent years, we still know quite little about welfare crime, the understanding of it and the organization around it from a municipal perspective. And that's why this report focuses specifically on the municipal perspective with the hope of supporting the municipalities in this important task.